Today I'm going to introduce how to handle this new product, test tweezer ST-10B. This testing tool is especially for tiny electronic components. We can check the conduction of electronic components such as switches, resistance, fuse by this easily. If the conduction is normal, this light will light up. On the other hand, when we switch to booster mode, we can also check the conduction by the noise of booster. Next, ST-10B can test SMD LED as well. SMD LED are generally tiny, so we used to use ATX power supply revisions to test LED. But now, we only need this simple tool to test LED with different shape. Just like this. And there are optional 5mA, 10mA, 20mA current output you can choose. It's suitable for field personnel, engineers, business people do measurement or display use. ST-10B can also be connected via a dedicated cable and meter to measure accurately without probe. If you want to change battery, just pull out top cover, replace battery, then recover top cover. Okay, this is my introduction of ST-10B. Thank you for watching.